Hi dear customer, this is Anna from Landpack. We specialize in packing machine and bottle filling machine line. Over 16 years, we have 6 workshops and 200 workers. We can support it for you for OEM and ODM orders. Today, let me introduce one of our customized packaging like this bottle filling machine line to you. This filling machine it can suitable for your different liquid like the syrup, like the detergent liquid, like the milk, like the water, like the oil, and so on. And this filling range it is from the 100 ml to the max that can do 5 liters. That this it is for 3 liters. The speed it is range from the 8 to 25 bottles per minute. So let's see this bottle filling machine line one by one. And this is for the first part. It is a 2-head syrup filling machine. And that is with the storage tank here. This is 30 liters. And after that, they will use a gear pump for measuring for your different filling range here. This gear pump contact part is stainless steel 3-1 steel in 6. And also, after that, they will have 2 filling nose here. It is anti-drop design. Okay, so you can see from this touch screen, this can be the target weight ml can be adjustable here. So it's very easy to operate. Okay. And after that, there have a roll film 2 heads. This is 1, 2 heads roll film foil sealing. So it is one size, one mold. And after that, there have a metal detector. It is just a metal detecting for any metal parts and glass parts and stainless steel parts. Okay, and go that there is the last part of this filling machine line. It is a packaging labeling machine. So it is more like a big package round bottle labeling machine here. So let's see how it's working now. Dear customer, if you have any new inquiries and new orders, you can contact us at below website. We are always there to create a video for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.